Hey everyone, and welcome to our homeschooling journey. In today's video, I kind of want to share with you guys what I had planned like the first 2 weeks before school started. It was more of us just like getting ready for school. I kind of wanted to do like a simple yet gentle approach, but kind of like still add some form of routine. That way when school started, like based off of our charter school schedule, we were all kind of like ready to go and it didn't just like hit us with a surprise. We are using a summer of playing skillfully and we are the month of August. So what I decided to do was I decided to go kind of like and pick and choose what I wanted to do the first 2 weeks because we kind of had like a little more freedom since we didn't have things on our schedule. I honestly decided to go with more of like cooking and like gentle math things. That way my little one and my older one can kind of like do the activities and I just like adjust it at their own level. One of my goals was to figure out how I can wake up early, maybe even have like the little ones wake up early and just start our day sooner. That way when school starts, it is more of like a simple morning routine versus us doing like the afternoon. But afternoon homeschool did kind of work last year, but I'm hoping I can kind of like get things done by the afternoon, but we'll like play by ear and see how it goes. I did get the chance to kind of like reflect on last year and I did come up with like a few personal goals for myself going into this new homeschool year. One of my main goals is just to kind of like be more present. I want to be able to like fully enjoy the experience versus letting like content creation or like posting every single thing kind of get to me. I was able to do it last year, but I feel like kindergarten is a lot simpler. I'm not gonna lie, like TikTok shop and like collabs and all that stuff, like it did kind of get to me towards the end. I felt like there was like this pressure to kind of like just keep up with things and post, and it just wasn't really what I wanted to do. Last year I just had like the week before school started to like prep and plan, and I did not make that same mistake again this year. This year I actually, like, once school ended, like the whole month of June and most of July, I went ahead and like planned and prepped and just did my research to just try to figure out like what I can use as backup in case I want to like switch, any supplements I might need. And I just kind of like created lots of lists for myself because it helps me and my brain and my planning, especially with like the way things are in my life. And I feel like because I'm that prepared, hopefully like the first few weeks I'm just able to like rotate everything, pick and choose what I need, pull it out, and it's going to be like an easy transition for me as well as for like the little ones. But we'll see. I'm really excited to see like how it goes, and I have a feeling it's going to turn out well. If you guys have any questions or any advice, feel free to drop it down in the comments. I love to hear how you guys are planning or what you guys are going to be doing, if there's going to be any changes or anything like that. I look forward to hearing it in the comments. Bye.